Hello friends, I'm Chef Pratik Dhawan and I welcome you all to another episode of Get Curried. And today we are going to prepare a Kerala appetizer that is chicken kondatham. The speciality of this dish is that we use boneless chicken pieces and marinate them into spicy marination and then toss it in spicy masala. The uniqueness of this dish is spicy dry red chili, which is also known as kondatham malaku in Malabar cuisine. So let's create this spicy hot dish. Stay tuned to get heated up. I have taken boneless chicken pieces. In that, I'm going to add red chili powder, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, ginger garlic paste, soya sauce, and now I'm going to add corn flour to it. With that, also I'm going to add refined flour, which is maida, and one whole egg beaten. Some salt and little bit of oil. Guys, I like doing the marination with my hand. The reason being I want all my pieces to get nicely marinated. I'm going to let the chicken marinate for at least 1 hour so it gives a nice tender and juicy feeling to the chicken. The oil is nicely heated up. Let's start frying the chicken. So first, let's take one piece at a time and let's start frying the chicken. Make sure you fry the chicken for at least 5 minutes because as it's boneless, it takes very less time to fry. So fry it for 5 minutes and then remove it from the oil. So guys, this method is also very similar to the Chinese style of preparing chili chicken. Our fried chicken is now ready. Let's start preparing the masalas. Let's keep the pan first. Heat the pan. Add oil. Grated coconut. And with that, crush red chilies. And let's stir it. We are using coconut in this dish. The reason being is that coconut holds a spiritual significance in Kerala as well as Malabar region. Once the coconut gets brown, we need to remove it. As you can see, it's nice and golden color. And in the same pan, let's create the rest of the masalas. I'm going to add oil again. Now I'm going to add garlic. Let it crumble a little bit. Once you start getting golden, we're going to add the onions. Nicely saute them. The reason I'm using pearl onion in this dish is because a lot of Kerala dishes has pearl onion in them. There are 3 types of pearl onions. First is white, second is golden, and third is red skin pearl onion. And especially in Malabar region, you will find red skin pearl onion. So let me tell you a fact about a cocktail drink which is Gibson, which is a brother of Martini. The difference is the garnish because Martini has olives and Gibson has pickled cocktail onions. So let's continue the dish. The onions are almost getting done. Now I'm going to add the dry red chili, which is kondatham malaku. And with that, I'm also going to add the curry leaves. I'm going to saute them just for a minute. Once the curry leaves are getting done, now I'm going to add diced capsicum. Don't cook the capsicum completely, let it be little chunky. Reason being, it should not get mushy when the dish is complete. Now we're going to add the masalas into the mixture. Red chili powder to keep it heated up. With that, little bit of turmeric powder. Don't add a lot of turmeric powder, the reason being it will bitter the taste of the dish. Next, I'm going to add coriander powder, good amount of it, and cook it till the rawness of the masalas goes away. Chicken kondatham is made in 2 variations. One is dry and one is semi-dry. So I'm going to prepare it a little semi-dry to keep it a little juicy. So our onion and capsicum is done and even the masalas are nicely cooked. Now I'm going to add the chicken first. With that, I'm going to add the coconut mixture which we cooked earlier. Let's mix it up nicely. So guys, the masala is nicely mixed up with the chicken. Now let's add the ketchup, at least 2 spoons. You can add ketchup as per your liking to control the heat of the chili. And last, little bit of soya sauce. Like I said, it is little similar to the style we cooked the chili chicken. Nicely mix it up, the chicken. And as I'm making it little semi-dry, I'm going to add little bit of water into this. I'm going to let it get cooked for at least 2 minutes and your chicken cornettam will be ready. The reason I'm cooking this dish is because as a Punjabi, I love spicy food and the chili I'm using in this consists of vitamin C, which is very good for our immune system. The dish is almost ready. Now I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil to it. The reason I've added coconut oil because it has a higher smoking point and also it is very good for intense cooking. I have not added any salt in between, the reason being the soya sauce and also our marination had salt, but still I'm going to add little bit of salt just for my taste preference. So guys, our dish is ready. Let's do the plating. And little bit for my dosa. The dish is complete. Now just the garnish, a nice sprig of coriander, the final dish. There you go, our dish is now complete. I hope I spiced you up with this dish. Let me see you again in the next episode and do share your love in the comment section below. Till then, take care and goodbye.